Hello, and this experiment is the knowledge of crystallization. From your kit, you're going to need 3 Petri dishes, your yellow measuring spoon, 3 pieces of litmus paper, your bag of urea, glue, and your beaker. From your home, you'll need soap, water, 3 paper clips, and scissors. Using your beaker, measure 15 milliliters of water into each of the Petri dishes. That's 1. This is 2. And 3. Now, add into each of the Petri dishes 5 large level spoonfuls of the urea. Stir the urea in each of the Petri dishes until the urea has dissolved. Now, into Petri dish number 1, add a couple of drops of your glue. 1, 2. To Petri dish number 2, add a couple of drops of the dishwashing soap. 1, 2. And into Petri dish number 3, add a couple of drops of glue and a couple of drops of the dishwashing liquid. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Now, take 1 piece of litmus paper, fold it in half, attach a paper clip to it to hold the 2 pieces together, and then cut at the very bottom. Just like that. So it makes a floor, and place it 1 in each of the Petri dishes. Two and 3. Uh-oh. Now, if this happens, there we go. Just take it out and stand it up again. There. You're going to eventually see crystals starting to grow. I want you to record the results in your booklet after 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, and 3 days.